thought you was gonna do your intro first.
No. They know about you now. So this is my boy here, Rice. If you guys never saw the previous video, you know why I called him Rice. Check it out. We went to
Rice.
Oh my God. We went to.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. We love me rice, but we're sorry.
We went to That's Deli. Yeah. Now you guys know I'm checking out 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York City, and I am now at Casa Adela, and this is a Puerto Rican spot. Now, how much experience do I have with Puerto Rican food? Honestly, not enough. It's very similar to other Caribbean cuisine, so it won't be so shocking for me. And tell me about this place. Like, how did you find out about it, and why did you recommend this spot to me?
Oh, wow. So I used to work around here, and I pull up Yelp and Google, honestly, and I found this spot, X, Y, and Z, and then come along, people seeing me posting it on my socials, and they're like, oh, you at Casa Adela, and I'm like, yeah, is it a known spot? And they're like, yeah, it's a known spot. So I'm like, okay. So when I come here, I usually get the chicken crackling, rice and beans, or I usually get the rotisserie chicken, rice and beans. But one thing that's good, the tostones is good. And yeah, great spot, dope vibes, both good. And we're going to see where I'm going.
And the rice is good.
Yep. The rice is good. The rice is good.
I don't know why I started him up. All right. So tell me about the chicken crackling, though. Chicken crackling, what exactly is that?
All right. So one thing I like about the chicken crackling is because it inspired me to switch my way up of how I make my chicken crackling. So it's no flour or nothing like that. It's deep fried chicken chunk pieces. So you can say, dame un chicharrón de pollo con hueso, chicharrón de pollo sin hueso. Chicharrón con hueso means it's fried chicken chunks with beans fried chicken chunks with bone, and chicharrón sin hueso means is deep fried chicken without bone. So
speak that Spanish. Let them know you're single. Recently single. Holla at the girls on the channel. Speak some Spanish, papi.
Yo. Let me, easy now. Let me hold myself. So yo, we gonna pull up in here. We're gonna show them wagwan with the Puerto Rican style. We're gonna get some chicharrón con hueso with some arroz con habichuela, right? Because the Puerto Rican style is they do it with the bone. But yo, there's no flour when they deep fry it. There is no flour at all. It's just deep fried. And I learned the secrets to it. But maybe that's for another video. But listen to me. And the rotisserie chicken, bussin', fire.
So we gonna hop in.
Yeah,
you didn't even shout out at no girl, no nothing. Like, man,
no nothing.
It's okay. You missed your chance.
Good
job.
No. I don't want to give a false story.
You ain't gonna tell. All right, you ain't gonna get no false story. So tell me the story the way how we hear it. So right now we're in Casa Adela.
All right, we are at Casa Adela, right? Mm-hmm. So this is Lower East Side. Lower East Side. It is what it is. If you know, you know. But I think people try to shut this joint down, but the community came together and they kept it alive. Como se dice? 50 years?
50 years, see?
Yeah, 50 years, boom. They've been in business. Fire, yo.
Tu abuela?
Is fire. Food is, yeah. So, it's grandmother joint, boom, boom. It's like, look.
Ooh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So it's set of vibes.
So I'm gonna show you guys really quick what inside here look like. Feels like a memorabilia wall. You see all of the old heads, people before who started this spot, you know. So it's very small, very homely feeling. We see some of the rotisserie chicken up there, or as they say, the crackling chicken. We're gonna get that today. I like the vibe of the spot so far. Feels very Caribbean, feel very Hispanic at the same time too. The staff definitely look Hispanic too, like they've come from Puerto Rico or descendants of. Yeah, this is what it looks like. If you've ever been here before, drop it in the comments and let me know. If you're gonna get this food, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I feel about it. This is gonna be, I could say officially, like my first introduction to food from the Puerto Rico here on Soy Vlogs. All right, let's get it.
Come here in the Lower East Side.
I have one question. I want a recommendation. Which one of your grandmother's dishes should I get today?
Well, basically, it was my mom, their grandmother.
Yeah.
Those are my kids.
Okay.
Well, we are very good with the roasted pork.
Okay.
But if you don't eat pork, we
I
got a
love pork.
rotisserie chicken,
Okay.
well seasoned. Also the beef stew, as well as the steak onion, in that order. Because the main two items that we're very keen on, basically roasted pork and the roast chicken.
I'm doing the roast pork for sure.
Okay. All right, cool. So my recommendation, because I want to tell them something that I've tried. Chicharrón de con pollo.
Oh, that's what he's having.
Bueno. The
Okay.
chicharrón over here, chicharrón con it's fire over
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And I've
Well
tried,
seasoned.
and I've tried the rotisserie before. I've never tried the pork here. So I was just telling him what I've tried here, and it's both amazing here.
Well, you certainly come to a mom and pop place. It's not a fancy place by any means of the word, but it's a place where you feel that if after you ate, it should taste like grandma's beans or your aunt or the cousin that used to cook for you, that used to entice you to all those Spanish dishes. This is the place, It's not, we're not a steakhouse. Our plates are very reasonably priced so that we could serve the Puerto Rican community that lived here. Our main interest was to serve the traditional dishes of Puerto Rico to Puerto Ricans. It just so happened that when you live in a melting pot, you get the Chinese, you get the Americans, and you get everybody to come and eat your food. And simple food, I'm pretty sure that you had it from a neighbor that came into a Christmas party and they brought the rice with peas and no, eat this is good. I do it every year for my mom. The coquito, all those items, that's what we serve here. And I'm pretty sure you will find something that it will be of your appreciation that you will like.
To me, everything is good, and I'm bringing my brother along. I'm letting him know what it is, and I know for sure everything here is gonna be amazing.
So much.
Everything here is gonna be
I appreciate your time, bro.
You got me, gentlemen. Buen provecho.
Mofongo, yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting mofongo.
Mofongo, those three I recommend.
Okay.
But everything else is good.
All right, thank
Thank
you,
you
bro.
so much. Thank
I've
you.
been coming here. I'm born and raised here.
Yeah.
I'm 43. They've been here 40-something years.
You're 43?
This is, I'm telling you, man. So,
It's gotta be the food.
yo, so this is what I told you. I was like, yo, bro, I have to bring you here because this is like, it's culture here.
Yo, bless up, bro.
Yeah, take care. You got any juices like, tiene like chinola or anything?
Yeah, like con leche. That's what's up. Yes, sir. Oh, see this? Thank you. Just feel authentic, bro.
I like my natural juices without the milk, but man, this is bussin'. The passion fruit.
In Spanish, ¿cómo se dice?
Chinola.
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 All right, so tell us what we got. We know this is plantain, we know this is rice and beans, and that's rice and peas right there, right?
So, no, you got it wrong. Yes, you got it right. But at the same time, got maduros, sweet plantain, and see, my thing is I deal with a lot of Dominicans, and Puerto Ricans say it completely different. So this is arroz con arroz with mor.
You know, because you're taking so long, it sounds like you're wrong, right?
Yeah, I know. I just feel my appetizer. But we got sweet plantain, maduros. We got arroz con not moro. They call it gandules, habichuela, rotisserie chicken, and we got chicharrón de pollo.
See?
And that's the
So you said what is this? Plátano maduro.
plátano maduro.
And in English,
Sweet
what is it? In English, what is it?
Sweet plantain.
Sweet plantain.
Sweet
okay.
plantain.
And this is what in Spanish?
See, that's the thing. That's why I hesitated because Dominicans say arroz con moro.
And
they
moro
say-
in Espanol is
No,
yeah.
it's like rice and peas, right? So you like I've come here multiple times and I've ordered, dame un order de arroz con moro, and it was like they don't do moro here, they do gandules. Same shit, different terminology. This is habichuela, which is beans. Pollo carbón, I guess they call it, which is like rotisserie chicken, and chicharrón de pollo. Yo, don't look at me. No way, because the thing is, I've come here and I've ordered things Dominican way, and they're like, "Oh, that's not what we call it here," and I've gotten backlash for it.
So what I just poured there, essentially, it seems like red kidney beans.
Yeah.
But I saw,
So-
I did see another bean inside of that rice.
Yeah. So I call that moro.
Moro.
Yeah, but that's Dominican. Dominicans call it moro, and they call it, I guess, gandules. But the thing is, like us as Caribbeans, we would mix this together, right? And I don't know why, for some odd reasons, Dominicans and Puerto Ricans, they don't mix this together. It's either you eat white rice with the red kidney beans, but you wouldn't eat that with it mixed up. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, makes sense. All right, I'm gonna get right into it.
Go ahead. Go
Whatever it's called, I'm gonna tell you
Yeah.
guys what I think. Looks very Cuban too at the same time. All right, we got the beans with the rice, and we got the plantain. Freaking good. Tastes, I don't know, it's very similar to what they do in Jamaica,
Yeah.
but it's not exactly the same thing. Like the flavors inside of it is good. It's
So I believe me as a cook, and due to the fact I cook different cultures, I believe it has to do with a lot with the green seasoning that they put in with the rice.
so this is tasting. It's more seasoned forward. I'm getting a bit more seasoning.
Yeah.
With that bean sauce, I'm getting a lot of that sauce.
Habichuela, yeah.
Slight tanginess. I can taste the what's they call it? What's it? Sazon.
Yeah, that's how some.
I can
that's
taste the sazon in there.
Yeah.
Rice and peas would have a little bit more like the thyme and the coconut and the pimentos. Not getting that, but essentially
Yeah.
the fried plantains are fried properly. It's really
Yeah.
good. So what's funny, guys? This is video number 2 for him, and he's done. He can't play with soy. he said 3 places today. He can't play with soy.
Listen, I could play, I could eat.
No, I'm gonna be very honest. I'm a very blunt person. You could not. After that first drink this morning, you were done. You were.
I'm gonna let you eat. I'm gonna
Check
let.
out this wing. Look at the fry on this. Continue. I'm gonna hear you out.
No. It goes deeper than what I want to put onto this content.
No, I know.
When we speak
I understand.
off grid, we'll talk more about it.
Besides that, we ain't gonna bring no sadness into
No,
this video.
I'm not trying
We
to.
gonna-
That's what I said. I'm not trying to make no sadness into this.
Let's talk about
But like
this fried. You're not
right
even
now,
eating.
the food here, yo,
You're not
I'm
even eating.
full. I'm full. I'm being honest with you. I am full. I am full.
Bro,
Yo, boss. I told you. Their fried chicken crackling is fire.
It's fire. So before, when you said crackling, usually when I have pork and you have the pork crackling, because the pork fat is so much thicker, you get like a heavier crack. This is not that heavy. It's really, really light. It would seem like they put like maybe a light dusting of like cornstarch or something like on it.
Yeah, most likely cornstarch. Yep.
Bro, it's light, it's crispy. I wouldn't say salty, but it's like it's more salt forward, which I like. So it's not salty, more salt forward.
Yeah, yeah.
There's definitely a herb blend on it, so I'm not really picking up any particular spices, in general. But yo, the wing is fall off the bone good. I don't like my chicken to be fried hard. It's nice and tender. It's good. Man,
Food good.
muy bueno.
Muy bueno, bro. Muy bueno.
Good, very good. I gotta give you that for that. Good call.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So
Yeah,
far,
man.
you
And
both-
so sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes you put a lemon on it or lime.
I'm gonna try some of that.
It definitely, I don't know how, it makes everything more vibrant.
Make it pop.
Yes, 1000%.
All right, this seems like it's like the head of the chicken leg. I know that sounds weird, but it's
Yeah,
top.
yeah.
I'm gonna be real with you. In my culture, we don't use lime or lemon for anything apart from making lemonade or if you're gonna clean meat. So for me to put this on my chicken, it's kind of like OG weird, but I'm gonna give it a try.
It's funny how, like, I see them with cultures.
So we got the top there clearly, so I gotta put it on top of it. Let's go.
Lemon brings it out. What do you think? What's your perspective on it?
So the Jamaicanness is just fighting me right now, and
Uh-huh.
it's saying no.
No, don't do it.
I get what you're saying. Usually limes bring a brightness to food.
Yeah.
So I do completely understand that, but I'm not necessarily a lemon pepper guy. You know, lemon
Okay,
pepper is like
okay.
a popular
Yeah.
wing. I could eat it. I will
Yeah,
enjoy
I'm
it.
in the same boat with you with lemon pepper.
Yeah. So for me, I'll hold the limes for sure, but I just by itself, it's fire. This is really good. Oh man, look at that.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. It's busting, man. It's busting.
Yo. We got this rotisserie here. It looks really juicy. Really juicy. Typically, for me, rotisserie chicken is usually juicy. Like sometimes. You're right. There's this guy I watch I see him sometimes on Instagram, and he tries like all the rotisseries around the US, I think.
Okay.
And he's popped up on some dry ones. I'm like, damn.
Yeah.
Usually hard to find a dry one for me, but they out there. This is tender. It's falling off the bone. Like, look at that. Nice color on it.
Read in your face. Read in your face. Read it.
I thought we'd get like a very distinct flavor,
Yeah.
but just tastes like
Regular rotisserie chicken.
properly seasoned chicken, tender, and it's good. It's nice and tender. Like the guy said, rotisserie is good, but it's a chicken
The
crackling.
crackling, definitely.
I would take it home all the time.
Yeah.
Bro, you seem like you're out of it.
No,
So,
listen, I'm good. I'm chill. It's just like, I feel a little.
hold on, we're gonna talk off camera. So,
Yeah.
sorry to cut this a bit short. This rotisserie chicken is good. Hits all the beats. If you like Puerto Rican food, definitely gonna love it. That chicken crackling is A1 for me to 10. Fried plantain is done superbly. The rice and beans, good. If you're from the Caribbean in general, I think you're gonna really appreciate this spot. If you're like me from Jamaica, you're gonna like it as well. I know a lot of Jamaicans come here and they see all these new different cuisines and they struggle to really pick out the ones they're gonna like. I will tell you, check this spot out if you are in New York. Now, I'm here with my subscriber right now, friend at the moment. We're gonna have a conversation. I think I tell you guys all the time, it's good to watch these videos and all that, but when you have the chance to really talk to somebody and really socialize and really connect the real way, do it. So I'm gonna connect with him really quick, and then I'll get back to you guys to wrap up. All right, see you soon. Yo,
So-
my guy.
I'm gonna keep it G. Yo, big man thing.
I love my rice.
Yeah. No, I didn't love my rice too much because we came to the second spot. I didn't eat nothing. You know what? It is what it is. Sometimes we all go through something. But I'm happy. I link up with my man Soai. I've been a fan for a long time. It's definitely a blessing to share some food with my G, because I'm a man of food. I love to cook, and he's a man of food too as well. So even though, you know, I didn't get to eat as much, but I'm happy I was able to break some bread with my G and just vibe out and chill. And it was an amazing time. I had a good time.
Appreciate that.
And you know what? I hope in the near forward we could definitely record more content. But one thing I'm gonna say is this: is like, I need to cook for my man Soai.
All right.
Oh, I threw you off with that one. I threw him off with that one. No, real shit. I need to cook for my man Soai. Let him try some of my home cooking food.
I could probably do a series on that, checking out food from my subscribers.
Yeah. You know what? I had a great time. You know, we had a little more in store, but you know, timing is everything. You know, so listen. I hope we get to do this again. I love Soai. Appreciate him. Appreciate all his content. He makes great content. He got a lot. When he go home, he get enough food for eat.
Yes.
The man get enough food for eat when he get home.
Yeah.
So, big man thing, like, yo, it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure.
And it's been a pleasure hanging with you today, bro. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for the recommendations today,
Yeah.
and the one before that we met, the sunshine spot.
Yes.
Appreciate that.
Yes.
All right, guys. So we're gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know if you guys want to come hang with Soai. I might do something on Airbnb and experience. Hit me up, email me something.
Wow.
We could do little food tours together. I don't know. Catch you guys on the next video. Two things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember.
Stay blessed and stay sexy. You know what it is.